We should put the broccoli in with this, honey. That broccoli. Go put all that oil in it. We're gonna try some of this with this. Oh. Are you gonna use all of it?
That's all that's left.
Oh my gosh, I'm excited about this. This is that powder ball mushroom. Wait, powder puff mushroom. What's it called? Powder ball?
Giant puffball.
Giant puffball. Oh my gosh, I got the name wrong. Giant puffball. I want to taste this. Martin's gonna go get a fork. I don't know that I want to wait. Oh my gosh, well, this is gonna taste like, oh my gosh, honey, I'm sorry. I dumped it all over. This is gonna taste, wait, try it.
Really good.
Really good. What's it called?
Giant puffball with General Tao sauce.
Giant puffball with General Tao sauce. Let's try it.
And we've been assured it's edible.
Oh my gosh. Have you had this before?
I've never
Let's
had it
save
before.
that tomorrow, honey, and put it with broccoli. Because in the oven, we got a whole bunch of pizzas. I think they're done.